This is ChatGPT versus Perplexity versus Claude. And if you're using AI today, this is the question nobody can avoid anymore. Which one is actually best for everyday use without switching apps every 10 minutes like you're managing a digital relationship crisis? ChatGPT is the do-everything friend. It writes, explains, codes, brainstorms, generates ideas, helps with content, and increasingly acts like a full productivity hub with tools, memory, and multimodal features. It's the one you open when you don't even know what you're trying to do yet. You just know you need something smart to happen. In most everyday use comparisons, it consistently ranks as the most balanced general-purpose assistant. But here's the twist. ChatGPT sometimes feels like it's trying to be good at everything at once, which means it's not always the absolute best at one specific thing. Then comes Claude, the calm overachiever who writes like a human and thinks in paragraphs that actually make sense. Claude is widely praised for long-form writing, reasoning, coding, and handling complex documents without losing context halfway like it drank 5 energy drinks and forgot the topic. In real-world benchmarks and user tests, it often wins on depth, structure, and nuance, especially for writing and decision-making tasks. Using Claude feels like asking someone thoughtful to explain something and not getting a Wikipedia dump, but an actual explanation that anticipates your follow-up questions. Then there's Perplexity, the search engine that got promoted to AI assistant and now refuses to go back. It's built around real-time web search and citations, meaning it doesn't just answer you, it shows you where the answer came from. That makes it extremely strong for research, fact-checking, comparisons, and anything where don't make stuff up is the entire requirement. But here's the funny limitation. Perplexity feels less like a conversational assistant and more like a very smart librarian who keeps handing you summarized books instead of chatting casually. So, what does everyday use actually look like? ChatGPT is what you use when you're thinking, creating, or building something from scratch. Claude is what you use when you want depth, clarity, or serious writing without chaos. Perplexity is what you use when you want facts, sources, and research without digging yourself. Here's the real answer. If you only pick one for daily life, ChatGPT is the safest all-rounder. If you write, analyze, or work with long documents, Claude feels the most intelligent. If you live in research, comparisons, and fact-checking, Perplexity is unbeatable. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.